Communication and collaboration are arguably the most important part of a successful business. If files are not being revision controlled correctly inside of a company or department, this can lead to miscommunication and poor collaboration. What if engineer A is working on a file and creates revision 2, but the manufacturer is producing revision 1? Poor data management is a major problem across many companies, whether it's sending files via email for approvals, manually changing custom properties like revision and drawn by. These manual processes lead to human error and misaligned information. Thankfully, the 3DEXPERIENCE platform gives us the tools to properly manage our data. Let's find out how in this video. Using the 3D Space application, companies can create a space for their users to work in. This space is permission controlled, so the administrator can choose who is allowed to do what. Think of saving files to this collaborative space as adding items to a bucket. Once inside the bucket, all the files are on the same level. Non-CAD files can be saved to a collaborative space just by dragging and dropping the file into the collaborative space. For CAD files, on the other hand, they need to be saved from the native program, in our case, SOLIDWORKS. But how do we find these files once they are in the bucket? This is where we can use other 3DEXPERIENCE apps in tandem with our 3D Space app. Apps like the Content Explorer can be used to browse for files, or the Bookmark Editor can be used to tag files with bookmarks to make them easier to find, almost like adding it to a folder. Once the files are in the collaborative space, they can be revision controlled and managed by using the collaborative lifecycle application to move them between different stages of their approval process, as well as create major and minor revisions. Tasks and routes can be created by using their respective applications to create ECO-like processes. The main goal of the 3D Space app is to create a space to save files that can be managed in a PDM-like environment. Using a combination of these data management applications, a formal PLM-type environment can be set up to manage and control your data while collaborating internally and externally with your company's data. The 3D Space application is a product lifecycle and data management tool to take your company's data to the next level, giving access to different types of applications, allowing users to take advantage of revision control, lifecycle management, change orders, tasks, BOM management, and more. If this seems like a tool for you, reach out to us at Hawk Ridge to ensure you have the correct roles to gain access to these applications. If this seems like too much and a simpler solution may be better, for example, just the need for a centralized location of data and minimal collaboration without revision control, check out our 3D Drive video as well. If you like this video and want to learn more about data management, check out our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.